Meaning of engagement ring.
Engagement ring.
Engagement ring.
Engagement ring.
Engagement ring. An engagement ring is a ring that is traditionally given by one partner to another when they propose marriage or acceptance of a marriage proposal. It is typically worn by the recipient as a symbol of their commitment to the relationship and impending marriage. The ring is usually adorned with a precious stone, most commonly a diamond, and is often an expensive and significant purchase for the proposing partner. The act of giving and receiving an engagement ring is an important cultural tradition in many societies around the world.